What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another walkthrough by MarineMax Danvers. Today, we're going to be walking through a beautiful 28 center console by Bertram. This one is actually in our used inventory. So what that essentially means is this boat has been fully serviced. It's going to come detailed, full of fuel, but it's also going to have all your necessities and everything you're going to need to get on the water. So what that means is life jackets, fenders, lines, full tank of fuel. I think I mentioned that already. Flares, air horn, fire extinguisher, all that good stuff, so that it's essentially a new to you boat, but it's going to come equipped just like a brand new boat. So you're not going to have to worry about getting the boat, coming in for your first service, just to make sure you're on the same page. And then it's going to come dealer backed too. So we're going to go through, we're going to touch everything up, we're going to make sure it's perfect, so that when you get your new boat, it's good to go. I'm going to jump up here. As you can see, I'm situated comfortably at the helm. You have a double helm here, flip up bolsters, and up here on the dash you have a beautiful setup here with the black acrylic with the Garmin screens that are actually flush mounted. You have nice switching here. Let me move my phone out of the way. We went for a little boat ride today. So you have nice switching up here, stainless surrounds on those, instead of your traditional rocker switches that are going to fade out. This boat's equipped with joystick, JL audio sound system, nice stainless wheel. Obviously you have your Mercury with digital throttle and shift. You have one lever on there. You have active trim on there. Now, active trim is different than your actual trim tabs. So there are some companies that do trim tabs that are automatic, but the active trim is actually your engine trim. So what that essentially is going to do is it's going to trim the engines for optimal performance and efficiency. So separate from your trim tabs, you do have trim tabs too, but that active trim is actually for the engines themselves. As I jump up, we're going to run here to the back of the boat, and you're going to notice a nice open cockpit area. So you have dual fish boxes back here, huge access to the bilge. One of my favorite features really on any boat is the slide out cooler there. So just really nice, really simple, gets it out of the way. You have a nice prep counter here, cutting board that does have the bump stops there. This pops back down. Up top you have, what do we got, 6 rocket launcher style rod holders, another set of JL audio speakers, floodlights, and a beautiful white powder coated hardtop. The underside of this is actually painted to match the hull too, so I'm sure Jill is going to clip in a couple pictures of the outside of the boat, but that does match the hull. Live well is to our port corner, clear top, blue liner in there. Nice big back bench seat. This does fold away. You put the cooler away. Let me show you. Put this away. Seat goes right back. Now you have this awesome platform to fish from. Cleats and everything are back here. Big scuppers. Again, fish boxes down below. You have a water set up here, and actually on both sides there too. So I'm going to slide on over here past the live well. I'm going to show you this addition here. Nice dive door, tuna door, whatever we're calling them nowadays. Pops right open there. There is a ladder that connects in there. This is just good safety wise. If the kids are swimming, if you are pulling in a big fish, dock access if you're older is really nice to be able to have there. Nice, easy, situated there. What do you think, Jill? You think you can get a shot of this hardtop here? I want to see, you got a nice set of black carbon outriggers, so you can troll for those bigger fish. And in just a second here, we're going to head up to the bow. I'm going to show you the head, the bow seating, the backrest and everything. Let's take a walk up there now. We'll take a look. All right, everybody, we're at the bow of this 2023 Bertram 28 center console. First and foremost here, we have a huge oversized head down here. You do have a sink, you have a toilet. You actually have a port window there too, so you can actually look out there. It is vented. And your table mount is going to be down there too. So it's vacuum flush, you got a macerator, and obviously a holding tank in there as well. Right now we have the bow filler cushion set up. So we have the bow in place here, the bow filler cushion in place there. You do have tons of storage down here. Nice backrest so you can sit up here just like you would on a lounger. Access to your windlass is up top. And then you'll notice these little things here. So these are for your poles, because you do actually have a sun top up top. So if you want a little bit of extra shade, you can pop those in and get out of there a little bit. Beautiful upholstery. You got nice diamond stitching throughout. Stainless steel handrails integrated into the side of the gunnels here. You have cup holders throughout, more rod holders, more speakers. Everything's good to go. Guys, this is the 2023 Bertram. We got this in stock. It is already bottom painted, so you don't have to worry about that. Get about, I think it's 45 hours on it. So nothing crazy, barely broken in, really not even close to broken in. It's in stock, ready to go. If you want to come down and check it out, this one is going to be in the water, probably for the rest of the summer. From there, just let us know. You want to come down and see it, we'll go for a ride. Try to put something together for you. And we are doing some winter promos. The boat show stuff has already started, so we can offer you that as well. So if you have any questions on that, the boat or other boats, we're at 10 Hutchinson Drive in Danvers, MarineMax. My number is 781-635-8684.